So this is a 1953 Cadillac Coupe. It belonged to a man from Colorado who collected cars, so to speak. He bought them and parked them. By the time he passed away, he had 120 cars sitting on a 40-acre piece of property in Pueblo, Colorado. I don't know how long it sat, but my guess is 30, 40 years, maybe more. I think the car is charming, and I did like it a lot, and that's why I bought it. It needed a lot more work than I expected to have to do. So at this point, we have a rebuilt engine and rebuilt transmission in it. We put new glass in the car. It was incomplete, so we had to go out and find a bunch of parts for it. Right now, we're waiting for a new fuel tank to come in, and it'll actually be a driving car. And it's going to go to Sweden soon. I sold it to a guy who's going to keep it the way it is. He's just going to finish up all the minor stuff. We put a new leather interior in it, but I don't think it'll ever be painted. It's going to stay like this.
That's a nice patina.
It is really nice patina.
And
very popular car.
The engine has been rebuilt, you said?
Yes, 331 Cadillac. It's been rebuilt. Transmission was rebuilt. And of course, then you have to do water pumping, you have to do carburetor and all that stuff. So it's actually a driving car, except it doesn't have a fuel tank.
Yeah.
Or no exhaust. So it's a little loud.
And that's a car that's always been in Colorado.
I believe so, yeah. He seemed to have bought mostly or almost exclusively local cars.
Okay.
Many of the Cadillacs I bought had the logo on the deck lid saying they were sold new in Pueblo.
Is it the same place you bought my Cadillac?
Correct. Yep. Which was sold new in Pueblo.
Oh, yeah.